Walker Purcell with Bobcat of Asheville, local sales rep out here in Western North Carolina. Started with Bobcat back in 2017. Prior to that, I've managed some properties down in the Charleston, South Carolina area, but a pretty avid hunter and taking care of a lot of family friends' properties. Bobcat of Asheville, we have a killer shop up there. Rob, the shop manager back there, makes sure that they get their machines taken care of, whether it be service or repair. It's been a great family to be a part of. A pretty tight bond just within our store. So we just loaded up this T66 and we're delivering it to a River Birch Builders. This is their second machine. They purchased an E35 last year. A few of the features they were keen on were the backup camera, the electric over hydraulic controls. They can really dial in their track speed for some of their projects that they're using. One of the other big features that they enjoyed on that machine was just the visibility from the cab, to be able to see out the front way better than all the competitors.